Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 27th, 1899. The effect when Jesus goes to a soul. This morning, while seeing my sweet Jesus, I felt a fear in me that it might not be him, but the devil, to deceive me. And Jesus, answering my fear, told me,
"When I am the one who goes to the soul, all of her interior powers are annihilated and recognize their nothingness. And I, seeing the soul humiliated, make my love overabound like many streams, in such a way as to inundate her and strengthen her in good. All the opposite happens when it is the devil."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.